Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to update your email address on Estee Lauder. If you don't have a Estee Lauder account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. But if you already have an account, just open the website, then click on Sign In. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the left side menu. Click on the option that says Personal Profile. Now, you will see a section for email. There, remove the current email. Then enter the new email you wish to use. After entering, click on the Update button. That's how you update your email address on Estee Lauder. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.